Good morning, class. Today is Tuesday, March 24th. I hope you guys had a great first day yesterday learning about all of the characteristics of signs. I saw some of you sending me some great pictures of the work you're doing. You're all doing a great job. I hope you're having fun at home with mom and dad too. Today we're gonna talk about our question of the day, which is, what shapes are signs? So just like we do in class, you're gonna click on your listening ears. You're gonna be ready, and we're gonna begin. I wanna go over some of the shapes of signs with you. So we talked a little bit about it yesterday. They come in all different shapes. The first shape I wanna talk about is our squares. So some of the signs I have now are my square signs. This is my telephone sign. This means that a phone is near for me to use. You'll notice it's a square. A square has 4 equal sides. At home, you can practice counting the sides. Another square sign that I have is my handicap sign. This means that a place that you may go to is handicap accessible and someone with a wheelchair might be able to go into that building. Another sign that I have that you might see around your neighborhoods is a do not enter sign. This is also a square, 4 equal sides, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's red and it has the words do not enter. Some other signs I have, circles. Circles is another shape of a sign. I have the railroad sign. You'll see 2 R's representing railroad and an X through it. So when you see this sign, you'll know that there is a railroad crossing and that you should look both ways and make sure that there is no train passing by. I also have a circle sign with a garbage can, meaning that you may throw out your trash here. And this is another circle sign with no garbage can, which means do not throw your trash here because this would be littering. We've talked a little bit about littering. So that is my littering sign. Another shape of a sign that I have are my diamonds or rhombus. I have the traffic light sign. This means that you might see a traffic light coming up when you're driving on the road in the car with mom or dad. I also have the slow sign. You'll see the shape. It's the shape of a diamond or a rhombus. This one says slow, S-L-O-W. At home, if you're at home, you can tap this out. And then you say it faster and you'll read the word slow. Like we practice in school, tapping out your words. This one, this is a construction zone sign. This means that there's workers doing construction and you should be super careful. And this is also 4 sides and it's a triangle, a diamond or a rhombus. I also have some of my rectangle signs. This is one rectangle sign. It's my one-way sign. One way it says, and it's an arrow and it tells you which way to drive or go. The arrow will point you in the right direction, and this is black and white. Rectangles also have 4 sides, but 2 of the sides are longer. Another sign I have is my restroom sign. This means that there's a restroom for you to use. You can see the girl and the boy, and it says restroom, and this is a rectangle as well. And my last shape for you today is the octagon. The only sign that is an octagon is a stop sign. You can at home count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A stop sign has 8 sides, and you can tap out your word and sound it out at home. Stop. So you can print your own signs at home. You can use some of our shape match signs from yesterday. Count the sides, talk about the shapes with mom or dad, which leads us into your morning center activity today. We are going to do some math, and it involves counting and finding numbers. So all of you have your packet, and hopefully mom or dad can print these for you. You're going to do your number find from 1 to 5, okay? If you would like, you can practice writing your name on the line like I did. I have Mrs. Gamero here, but you can write your own name to practice. And then you find the numbers and circle them. Here's the number 1. So I have found some number 1s and circled them. But you'll see that there's more. So you're going to go through these, circle all the numbers, have fun, color with it, and I will see you this afternoon for some religion. Bye, guys.